teach you how to draw Stork. It's a big bird. So now let's start by doing a big line there, and then go there. And now come all the way here, and it was shaped like that. And then go all the way here, and then go there. Now come up, go here, and then go all the way down. Second, go curl up, come here, do this tail thing, and now just come out here, and do his neck right here, coming down. Now just go all the way here. Now you can just draw this furry thing, and this one. Now you just do 2 lines down, and you do 1 hook and 2 hooks. And then these other ones at the back. And then just connect, and connect, and connect, and go all the way up. And same for the other. Then go there, and then you're done his legs. Now you just have to do the lines. Now for his wings. So you do this, and then just do a few lines, and do his eye, and then just do this, and go right there. I think that's too big actually, but let's just do his eye. Now just do this, and do a tiny dot this time. That looks better. Now you just have to color. So first you'll take your gray and color his legs. Now you just take this golden and color his beak. It looks like gold. So good. But we're gonna put a little yellow after, because golden is not the right color for a beak. Now you can put some yellow on top. And now it's a perfect beak. Now you just have to take this black and color his eye. And then now you can just color him fully white. But don't color his eyes. The white is invisible, but if you bend down in the right position, you can actually see the white. And also in the light. And then you just color here, here, and then you just color here. And then you just have to color his wings. And that's how you draw Stork. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Bye bye.